As we discuss present indefinite, how to convert present indefinite here in active passive voice. Now I'll discuss with you present continuous. Present continuous. How we will be converting present continuous there in active to passive voice. So this is most important when we are converting active to passive voice. We keep some of the things there into our mind. We will have to change subject, subject and object. You see, for example, she is singing a song. Simple example. You see, this is subject and a song is object. So while we are converting, this is active voice. Active voice. When we are converting active voice to passive voice, we will have to keep some of the rules there into our mind. How to change and which changes to be done there while converting active voice to passive voice in present continuous tense. You see, here when we are converting active voice to passive voice, we will have to see these things. If there is a is or am, it will be converted into being plus verb की third form. We will have to use these things while we are converting active voice to passive voice. We will convert this sentence into active to passive voice. We see this is subject, a song. A song. Now this is singular subject. Is we will be placing. A song is being sung by. She will be converted into her. You see, a song is being sung by her. It's not so difficult if you understand, you have understanding, deep understanding that how to convert it. You keep, when we are converting, if we see there is a present continuous there in a tense, and we are asked, okay, you convert active to passive voice, then we will be seeing the nature of the sentence. For example, one more example we can see. I am watching a movie. You see here, I am watching a movie. I is subject, a movie is object, and am is helping verb, watching is main verb. So this is the structure of the sentence. Now simply we will be bringing this subject, object here, a movie. A movie. Now am we will move because I carry the helping verb am, and a movie. This is singular verb, noun. Singular noun will carry the singular verb. A movie is being watched by me. You see here, simple. I will be converted into me. So these example I have discussed. One more example I will discuss with you, so that you may not have any problem in future while you are just understanding active passive voice. This is not, you see, we are playing a game. You see, simple. A game is object, and we is subject here. R is helping verb, playing is main verb. Now we will have to change active to, this is active. Now active to passive voice. A game. Now R we were using with the V. Now a game is being played by us. We will be converted into us. We is followed by our, there is followed by there. So you keep all these things into one more example we can give.